A man speeding away from police sent 6 people to Metro hospitals this afternoon. Was it a chase? Tonight, witnesses and police tell different stories. Larry Seward is live in Kansas City to explain. Larry?
Mark, that crash shut down the intersection behind me. That's 55th Street and 71 Highway. This all started with Kansas City police confronting a man stealing a vehicle in Raytown. What happened next depends on whom you ask.
This afternoon crash on 71 Highway injured 6 people. Police blame a thief recklessly driving this pickup at high speeds into traffic, hoping to avoid arrest.
I have specific information from the sergeant in charge that there was no police pursuit.
But tonight, at least one witness saw officers do something else.
It looked like they were chasing for a little while.
Dawn is a delivery driver who drives up and down 350 Highway most every day. This afternoon,
the truck was coming right at me.
She saw this red pickup speeding west in eastbound lanes, followed by 3 Kansas City police cars.
They were on the wrong side of the road with them.
Kansas City police say officers were tracking a man stealing vehicles. They caught him in Raytown. However, their suspect drove off before officers could get him in handcuffs. The suspect raced toward Kansas City.
He was flying.
Wayne Eagle watched from his car dealership.
The only officers I saw were on the other side of the highway. They weren't going against the flow of traffic.
Were police pursuing him at the time of the accident?
No. My understanding is they were not.
Sergeant Bill Mahoney says Kansas City officers were only following, hoping to stop the truck or warn people in harm's way. Considering the damage, it doesn't sit well with some witnesses who think police should have backed off more.
That's ridiculous. A truck can be replaced. People's lives can't.
Now tonight, this investigation is not over. Kansas City officers will be back here at the scene taking measurements tomorrow when traffic is lighter. As for the suspect, he is in police custody. Charges are pending. And we're live in Kansas City tonight. Larry Seward, NBC Action News.